Hello friends, I want to discuss about the preparation required to start a digitization project. As everybody is talking about digital transformation, digital supply chain, transformation from the old legacy systems to the new systems, benefits of digitization, moving to industry 4. Yes, there are many benefits are there, but the first and most important thing what you should really look at it is, are you, when I say you means your organization is ready for such project and all that. So let me share some of the factors which you should really look at it before starting this particular project. So normally what we suggest, or we carry out a diagnostic study before starting up this project, because there are always plus points with every organization, either with the strategy, with the product, with the services, with the culture, with the systems, with the technologies. But at the same time, there are also many risks are there actually. So the points which you should really look at it and evaluate it are mentioned over here. The first one is, of course, is the business and the company strategy. So every company has got its own products and services which are very unique, which also needs to be really looked at into the market. There are USPs into the product and services. There are technologies. There are the network which you are having. The ecosystem is basically, when I say ecosystem, it's from your distribution, suppliers, manufacturing, and then the logistic, transportation, consultants, outsourcing, contract manufacturing. So these are the things that are there. So considering your present company and the businesses, you should really look at it and vouch it, and then draw a plan that, looking at it, the strength, what you want to achieve it, what are your shortcomings are there, what are the risk factors are there, how you are going to overcome them. So that's the first and most important thing. So your top management, the main stakeholders, they should really sit down and draw this particular plan, both on the short term as well as the long term. The factors or the points or the areas which they want to really take it out and try it out in the initial phase, which can be rolled it out into the whole organization at a later stage. Today, customer centricity is becoming most important thing. Everybody is now talking about customers acquisition, customers retention, customer satisfaction. These are key areas where every organization, whether you are into a product or you are into a service, should really focus on to that. Because customers are going to drive your business growth, your business success. The third one is, of course, is the organization culture. What presently happening, there are some companies which are old, they are there into the business for maybe 20, 30, 50 years. So that has got a different culture, because those are the employees who are there, have grown along with the company, but then their mindsets, their technologies, their approach to the collaboration, approach to the problem solving, approach to doing some achievements, adoption of the new technology. These are the challenges are there. If you look at it, the very young companies, they may not be mature enough to face some such either business challenges or technology challenges and all. So this is also a very important area which you have to take it into consideration. The next is the innovation. With this pandemic and new emerging technologies are coming up, we always discuss about two things. One is the creativity and second is the innovation. You have to really look at it to your business problems in a different way. You have to do out-of-box thinking. How this particular problem or the points which you want to achieve it can be achieved. See, there are basically three factors are there. It's the people, processes, and technologies. And innovations are possible with the people training for the new concepts, technologies adoption, and re-engineering of the processes. And this is where that innovation is coming up and all that. So innovate, and I'm sure you will achieve a best results. Change management, as I mentioned it in the organization culture, is a critical point which we have to really look at it. Since everything is changing, business processes are changing, customers' expectations are changing, technology is changing. So we have to also think about the changes and how we will tune to the new processes, new technologies and all that. Then comes the data strategy. Now we have to really look at it as we move into a new emerging technologies. More and more data, a large volume of data is going to get it captured at each and every operation. In the digitization, which we are planning, we are looking at it end-to-end integration of all this so that you have a visibility of your product, services across the supply chain. So this data which is getting generated, the big data concepts are coming up, analytics is coming up, data can be analyzed descriptive, predictive, prescriptive, much many ways. So the data strategy has to be laid down, how we want to drive it. You have to have a short-term and a long-term plans for that. Once you have that data, how you are going to analyze it? Now the algorithms is very important thing, because this whole big volume of data can be analyzed in a very much different ways. And that ways is, it depends upon what you are really looking at it for your decision making from the data actually. So these are some of the critical points which I thought will be helpful to you if you are starting a new project of digitization and all that. Feel free to contact us if you need any inputs or you want to discuss it out. We are always there, we are available. We are going to discuss many more details about these factors in our videos. So please do subscribe it so that you will also have a continuous updates from our videos. Share your thoughts and comments also. My contact details are over here. Thank you. Bye.